Hi, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm gonna install this RGB car LED strip light to make your car 100% cooler. This is gonna be an easy install. Let's start. Okay, but before we install this LED lights, we have to test it first. No busted lights, this one is good to go. Here is the instruction manual, and according to the diagram, you put the controller in the middle and two of the LED strips under the passenger and the driver's seat, and one under the steering wheel and one under the glove box. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna position first the controller, okay, the main switches, the main buttons. So I'm gonna insert it here. Okay, and then hide the wires under the trim panel and under the driver's seat. What you need to do is you have to insert this LED strip on this side, so when you try to adjust your seat, it won't get tangled in this area, so your wire is safe here. I'm just gonna zip strap it here so it's safe. Okay, so what I did is just I put a zip strap, okay, 1 2 3, that's gonna be strong enough to hold the LED strip. Okay, after that one you have to insert it here. Okay, when I move the seat, it won't get tangled here. After I pull the second LED strip here, I'm gonna insert the wires inside this panel. So I hid the wires in here, going here, okay, going on that side, okay, and I'm gonna insert it here. I put the wire there, going here, and insert it here, going that one, and here. This time I use the 3M tape. I stick it. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side here at the passenger side. We're gonna be doing the same thing. So as you can see, I just put a zip strap 3. Okay, it is almost done. Okay, all the wires are hidden. Okay, look, I put the strips here. Okay, but here you won't be able to tell that there's a hidden LED strips. Okay, let's give it a test. So we are done now in the installation. Okay, so as you can see, okay, and then what we need to do next is to you have to download the app, the GOVEE Home, and then after you download it, you press it, and then you need to add you need to turn on your Bluetooth to connect your device. It says you're welcome to, and then add device. Okay, press that one. So for you to know what type of model you have to see this one here. If you can see that one model, H6114, so you have to find that one at the app, or you could just type it here. What's that? H6114. Okay, then you press that one. Now it's pairing. Okay, then press done. Okay, now it's okay. Device is off. Okay, now it's on. Okay, now we will try this one with the music. Let's try it from outside.